market. Hi Manish, good afternoon. It's a strong start, but the Nifty seems to have stabilized around that 8450, 8460 mark. At the current level, is there a near-term strategy in the Nifty?
Good afternoon to you and to all our viewers. Well, as you correctly said, the Nifty has moved up very flamboyantly. I'm of the opinion that this trend is to continue. We are headed to a target of about 85.20, 85.30 in the near term, with a very strong support around the 82.50 mark.
Hi Manish, would you have a trade that you're recommending on the Nifty right now?
Good afternoon to you, Ekta, Rima, to all our viewers. Happy New Year to all of us. I'm sure it's going to be a great year going forward. Well, the good news on the 2nd of January is that we have broken out on the upside. We were really stuck in this range of about 83.60, 83.70 on the Nifty spot. Now that we've broken out of it, I do expect levels of about 8600, 8700 in the near term, and medium to long term we will be seeing that level of 9000. So to summarize your question, yes, we have to go long. Every dip now becomes a buy.
Okay, Manish, one final question on IT stocks. You know, the big fall that we've seen on many of these large caps and even mid caps like a Hexaware, Polaris have spooked a lot of traders and investors. If someone has a trading orientation, what would be the advice that you give if they're holding on to these IT stocks?
In fact, I'll make this simple. Instead of going into individual stocks, maybe I would like you to look at the IT index chart by itself, which is currently trading at about 11,040. As long as we can hold 10,700, we can continue booking profits on these stocks. On all these falls, we can actually start accumulating the IT stocks. You should exit them or consider a stop loss only if 10,700 breaks.
Manish, you like CESC. Give us your target price on that one.
CESC, I'm working with a target of 800 with a stop loss of 740. The stock has just recently crossed its intermediate high, which was of 755, which it had made on the 25th of last month. We also see very healthy volumes which are backing that stock.
Well, those are all your picks today. Manish, would you have a call on the Nifty as a whole?
I would still be trading Nifty long with a target of about 8290 to 8300. We could have a brief pause. There could be a mild correction, but now the Nifty has a very strong support around the 7940, 7950 levels. Keeping that at a stop loss, we can continue buying into call options and head towards 8300.